YouTube, y'all think that's rod knot? Does that sound like rod knock to you guys, or I truly don't know. But I'm thinking it's rod knock. If you ask me, I think it's rod knock. Possibly might just have to go ahead and buy a new engine. I'm not gonna sit here and deal with this shit. Not gonna really fuck with this shit like this. Since I own it, I'll probably just fix it. Probably sell it and probably go get me a 5.0 because I really don't feel like fixing it and driving around in it. So probably that's what I might have to do. That's what I might have to do. I'm pretty sure that shit ride now.